Welcome to the deep mystical studies of the Zohar.
So the reason we study, and that's part of the power of the letters of the Zohar that we're reading in Aramaic, it's a channel to draw light and healing and opening our heart in a such deeper level beyond logic.
So what's on the menu tonight?
Manifesting blessings in this world.
That's all I want to do.
How do you see it in your life? Because you are a big manifestor.
Well, I can think all the way back to the first time I ever wrote a song. I was living in an abandoned synagogue with a band. I would sneak into the basement and I would just start playing guitar, learning how to play the drums, all those things. Nobody taught me, but I remember the first time I wrote a song. I was just strumming chords, like the 3 chords I knew. I wrote the whole thing, the verse, the chorus, the bridge, and then I stopped and it was almost like I'd been possessed. Like I know it sounds corny, but wait, where did that come from? Wait, how? I don't understand. I didn't even want to be a singer. But I was really blown away. When I'm writing songs, I don't use a computer or my phone. I have to write with my hand. Always feels like I'm channeling something. It's not something I'm intellectually trying to do.
The light and your own soul placed you in this scenario to reveal your true potential.
It's like everything happens for a reason.
It's easier said than done.
Absolutely, but step number 1, radical acceptance that every aspect of my past was divinely orchestrated to help me to learn my lessons and to grow. That's the goal, is to be able to elevate our vibration towards the energy of love. So are we ready for that?
So ready.